Hey guys, PepperAmmy here. Today we are making a deliciously creamy tuna pasta bake. Now as always, there will be a full list of ingredients required in the description below. Now for this recipe, all you will need is 500 grams of dry pasta, 50 grams of butter, 2 tablespoons of plain flour, 500 ml of milk, some grated cheese and a few cans of drained tuna. Now start by adding all of the ingredients into a large baking pan and then simply place in the oven for 20 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. And voila! Now thanks for watching and I will see you all again next week. Now if only it was that simple. Now before you start, you want to heat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius and add your pasta of choice to a large enough pot and add in some salt and some water and bring to a boil until cooked. Now once your pasta is cooked, you want to drain it, but you want to reserve some of the pasta water as this can be used later in the dish if it is required. Now to make the sauce, add the butter to the now empty pan and place on the heat to melt. Now once your butter has melted, add in your flour using a whisk, mix together until the butter is absorbed and there is no dry flour left in your pan. Then remove from the heat, pour in your milk, whisk together until there are no lumps left. You do not want a lumpy sauce with just flour lumps in it. And then return your sauce to the heat and let thicken. Now this can happen pretty quick. Now you can either leave the sauce as it is, but I do recommend adding in some salt and freshly ground black pepper as an absolute minimum. But you can also do like I did and add in some fresh parsley and chives and even a can of sweet corn if you do so wish. Next up, add in your tuna and then just simply stir into the sauce to get a nice even distribution of tuna throughout the sauce and to break up any of the large chunks. Then add your pasta back into the sauce. Now if your sauce does seem too thick at this point, this is where the reserved pasta water can be used. Now just simply pour in some of the water until you have a consistency you are happy with. Place your pasta into a baking tray large enough for it and then even out the top. Cover with a sprinkling of cheese. Now you can optionally sprinkle over some extra breadcrumbs as well for a crispier topping. And then place in the oven for 10 to 20 minutes until the cheese has melted and become crisp. Then finally sprinkle over some chopped herbs if desired and serve. And there you have it, a super simple tuna pasta bake complete with a homemade sauce. Now as always, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I know it was a bit shorter than most of my videos have been recently, but it's been a busy week and I was just after a quick meal to bash out. Now if you did like the video, let me know down below. If you are new here, feel free to subscribe. It helps me out a lot and the support I've had off this channel recently has been absolutely amazing. But anyway, thanks for watching and I will see you all again next time.